So the Material Master topic deals with all these specific activities, like something called Material Master. And do remember, Material Master is not a property of SAP SD itself. It deals with all the modules, right? So coming down to trading goods, these are the types of products like trading goods, non-stock, services, packaging material, competitive products, and other material. So other material T code is MM01, and specific T codes are something like MMH1. You can write the create T codes. Trading goods MMH1, non-stock material is MMN1, services is MMS1, packaging is MMV1. H1, N1, S1 and V1. MM stands for Material Master. So do remember, we don't work with Material Master again and again or very frequently. It is only during the implementation we use sample data, and after the cutover, that means when you want to cut the system into from the existing legacy into SAP, then we'll, using a tool called SMW, we will upload all the information to the SAP server. So we don't do it now again. It is only when a new product is associated with your company, or when new setup is being associated, we will use this Material Master setting. Right. Change and display are always common, MM02 and MM03. For all products, change and display T codes will not change. And there is one common T code which is not given to everybody, it is only given to super users. MM01. 01 means I can do anything. So I should not give that T code to everybody. We only give to the super users. Right. So when you click this MM01, automatically I'll show you one. Rest you try. Okay. MM01. Right. A material depends on industry sector and material type. We can copy the same material type into others. 100-900 industrial sector. Let me first open. I want to copy this 100-900 from 100-100. What is the display product? MM03. Display, I'm not talking about 100-. I'm just displaying the 100-100. I'm giving a plant. I'm giving a storage location. basic data 2. These are all views. Classification. Sales org 2. Sales general plant. Whatever you are going to assign it here, it is going to affect this particular master data is going to affect many other data like sales order, like quotation, price, anything what is automated by the system, it will every time look back into the material master.
So who will assign this material master? Geographers.
It is combination of MM, PP, SD, FI. Every module has their warehouse management guy will look into these two. Production guys will look into these three. So forecasting, that means the PP guys and FI guys have to look into this. 3 and 4 by PP, 1 and 2 by MM, and sales guys will be looking into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 views. A bit of foreign trade. If you don't fill these fields, it will not automate. That's it. No problem. You can leave it empty. But what happens? Tomorrow, your document is not able to bring the foreign trade details. Why? Because this material master doesn't have that data. That's it. It is not going to harm your system.
But later you can modify it also.
Anytime. That's the reason material master has changed every time. So there is a new replacement part for this, then you can add it here in the sales general plant.
Okay.
So gross weight is 3, right now it has become 3.5 kgs, you can do that. There are changes will happen, right? So those changes are possible. But every change is recorded, which user has done it, why you are doing it, and you write it in this text, the sales text. Why this weight has grown, there are some reasons you can give it in this text.
Who is the first who will make the material master, like to give the numbers and description?
That is by the strategic department, planning department, and finance department. Together they sit and finish these material codes.
Okay.
That's it. Because each company will follow their own series. It's not like this. The series, they want it not just 100-100. They may see 1-100, 1-101, 1-102. It is your wish how you are going to have your product.
So SD consultants will just
View these things.
modify their
Yeah.
data in the existing material master.
Exactly. Because if you don't go into the sales org 1 and don't finish this basic interrupt measure as PC, then automatically it is not going to show you the total number of pieces. And if you are not going to give it as metal, so the sales order will not give you the cost of metal product. It will give generic cost. The fields what you don't enter, if you don't give division here, it will not work in 00. So the effect of sales org 1.
This is how we are assigning
Yeah.
material to
Ravi, so very important question over here. Like division, we will always give 00, right?
Not always. In this business of IDS, he has identified a cross division where it is a common sales point. That means all products can be sold from this.
Yeah, I mean all product from division because it's a common.
It's a common one, yes. He is saying that all my, because any business can be done from this division because it is a central one.
Yes.
I don't have any
here
restriction.
we are using this common concept.
Absolutely. Only this division 00. But regularly, if you can see, if you want to sell pumps, you have to use only 01. If you want to exclusively sell lighting products, use. But anything you want to do it, then go for. But cross division will not be used so frequently in. But this is cross division. You should not compare with common division.
Just I want to clear one thing over here. If I assign 00, then I can sell pumps, everything, right?
Absolutely, yes.
But if I just assign 01, then I can only sell pumps, not any other product.
If this product is casing, it is 01. It will only allocate with pumps. And the thing is, the pricing will not be determined in 02, 03, 00. Because 00 is the common one, everywhere it works.
Yes.
But if it is 01 only with pump related business, it works. In other case, if you call this product into that order, it will not work. That means automation will not work. You can do it.
Correct.
You can save it manually.
Because it's casing.
Casing is the pump casing actually.
Yeah, it's packaging, right? So maybe that's why it's used for cross division.
No, this one is talking about the pump casing.
This material description.
It is the casing of the pump, like which you have to pack that. And in fact,
actually MMP1, right?
in fact, the IDS master data, which when we have discussed, that's what it is, right? IDS works with multiple products like chemicals, like pumps. That's the reason this 100-100 is the casing. And if you go back to 3.1H, I did not use that from long time. See the IDS model, because our learning is always dependent on IDS, so just follow the IDS examples. I think that
And maybe also there is two sales of 1 and sales of 2.
yes,
What is that?
sales are 1 and 2, right? Just
Yeah.
if you can see in this, let me close this one. Sales of 1 is dealing with general data, and sales of 2 is dealing with grouping terms. That means if I want to integrate something like item make to order, this product becomes a make to order. That means you cannot buy it as make to stock. You book it, then you pay some advance, automatically you are grouping that. So in this Material Master you are adding that grouping terms. If you add it, automatic system will understand. See why we are doing all these things? So that the SAP system will work as automatically as possible.
Correct.
If I group this, it will only work based on the, suppose if I have selected third party item, direct selling cannot be done.
Correct.
Right? It is only third party item brought from China, sold in India through a third party. Then I will give bonds. So these all are standard item category groups what SAP